Are you prepared for an unexpected situation while traveling in your RV? Being ready for any eventuality is not just about packing your favorite snacks and entertainment, it's about ensuring your safety and well-being on the open road. Today, we'll walk you through building an RV emergency kit, a critical tool for any RV owner. The first step in building your RV emergency kit is securing a backup supply of clean drinking water. Water is not only essential for hydration but can also be used for cleaning wounds or even putting out a small fire. Next, consider your emergency food supplies. Opt for non-perishable food items that can be easily stored and have a long shelf life. Think canned goods, energy bars, dried fruits, and nuts. One item often overlooked is foil blankets. These lightweight space-saving items are a lifesaver in cold weather. They help retain body heat and protect against hypothermia, a potential danger if your RV breaks down in a cold climate. Flares and safety whistles are next on the list. These are crucial for signaling in case of an emergency. Whether you're stranded on a remote road or need to alert someone to your location, these tools can make all the difference. Visibility can be a matter of life or death in an emergency situation. Therefore, including safety vests in your kit is a wise decision. These will make you more visible to other drivers, especially during a roadside breakdown at night. One item that should never be overlooked is a battery-operated weather emergency radio. This device will keep you informed about any severe weather conditions or natural disasters in your area, helping you steer clear of potential danger zones. A well-stocked first aid kit is an essential part of your RV emergency kit. It should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, scissors, pain relievers, and any prescription medication you may need. Lastly, don't forget to pack basic tools for roadside breakdowns and repair emergencies. This should include a multi-tool, a flashlight, jumper cables, and a tire repair kit. Remember, preparation is the key to handling unexpected situations while traveling. An RV emergency kit is not a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. So ensure you're equipped with these essentials the next time you hit the road. In summary, building an RV emergency kit involves securing clean drinking water, packing non-perishable food items, including foil blankets, flares, safety vests, a battery-operated weather emergency radio, a well-stocked first aid kit, and basic tools for roadside emergencies. Safe travels, and remember, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Thanks for riding along with everything about RVing. Make sure to subscribe to the Everything About RVing YouTube channel by clicking the logo. You will be able to view more awesome content on all things RVing. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it. Looking for more tips, tricks, and RV tales? Click on the video suggestions on the screen. Safe travels and see you on the open road.